Some popular role-playing games are balanced around having big parties, because generally the ones that are more tactical combat focused needs all these different roles, and combat doesn't work if you're just a tiny group size. But I want to make the claim, friends, I honestly think smaller group sizes have a better time at the table, and it's less chaotic, and people have more game time, and they're more seen and heard. Because I honestly think very few GMs, if any, can truly pay attention to 6 other people's needs. There will be sessions where some of them don't feel heard. I really think a smaller group size, like even 2 or 3, 3 is my personal favorite, I think works better. And people, mileage might differ here. People are different. But some haven't tried it because the game they play, if it's just a popular TTRPG, is balanced for larger groups, and that's a shame because there are many systems where 2 or 3 work perfectly well. And what you have with a group of 3, here's why I love 3 people in a group. It's small enough where everyone can get quite a lot of playtime. And if there are decisions to be made by the party, if it's 4 people, there could be a tie where 2 people want to do this, 2 other people want to go there. There's the nice tiebreaker with 3 people. One person wants to go here, the other 2 there, and then just accept it, be democratic about it. But also 4 is a lot, but 4 is like my limit. I don't have groups of 5 or 6. I've played in many of them. I've played in where 8 people are at the table, and you simply lose interest. Most of us have very short attention spans, and we drift off. That's why people look at their phones or drift off or start, side conversations and everything else. If your game doesn't run well with 3 players, I promise you there's a plethora of great TTRPGs out there that work just perfectly fine with 3 players. And I would recommend anything, or any adventure at least for your favorite system, that can be run with 3. Or you can adjust encounters or make them less deadly or whatever you need to do. But with 3 people, it's intimate. The things I've spoken about before about your number 1 skill is listening at the table as a GM. Number 1 skill is listening to players and seeing what their needs are. For them, their characters, those 2 will overlap. You doing that with 6 people needs someone with multitasking capabilities that I do not possess. With 3 people, it's already tough enough because the energy spent on the 6 can rather... Extra energy can be spent on 3 people to intimately see what they need at the table, keep them entertained. Fewer snacks. That's not the point. Try a group of 3. It's such a sweet spot. Smaller groups, I think, are the way to go. What do you all think? You enjoy larger groups? Even if it's not for tactical role-playing? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much. See you next time.